this. Hi guys, welcome back to Cozy Home. Today is going to be a Q&A. Jean is going to be helping me with the questions. She's going to read them off and I'm going to go ahead and answer them. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jacqueline and I'm so glad that you decided to check out my channel. And I like to do cleaning videos, cooking videos, and I've been working on a few series. Dirty Dozen, where I go around my house and pick 12 things to do that I haven't cleaned in a very long time, or I have forgotten to clean them in a long time. And then I'm also working on a new series. It's going to be on Fridays, and it's going to be Freshen Up Fridays, where I just go around my house and freshen it up. And if you guys haven't checked those out, please do so. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it and like it. So, Jean, go ahead and give me my first question.
Where are you from and where did you grow up?
Okay. Where I'm from, I consider Kansas as my home place, home state. And my dad was military, so we moved every 2 years of my life. And then I think Kansas was one of the longest places that I was actually able to stay because my dad retired there. So that's where I say Kansas is my home.
What inspires you?
For the YouTube channel?
Anything.
Okay, for anything. Well, for my YouTube channel, I want to earn an income to help my husband to be able to retire in a few years, because he's going to be retiring from the military, but he's been talking about adding some more years in to kind of help us be able to save more money for Ryder. When Ryder gets out of high school, we want to be able to pay for a full-time nurse for him, so we're able to go do things. And so that inspires me to try to get subscribers and to get monetized on YouTube. My mom inspires me quite a bit because when we were growing up, my dad was always, in the military. He was an infantryman, so he was always teaching soldiers or out in the field and doing things like that. Infantry families, you guys know how that is. The soldiers are pretty much gone a lot of times. So my mom taught us how to be, how do you say that? Rely on our families and each other, and to not give up, and to be faithful. And I don't know, just that's my mom. So what's the next one?
What's the most important thing in your life?
What's the most important thing in my life? Oh, I know. My most important things in my life is my salvation and my family. Okay.
What's your family? What's your favorite TV show?
Oh, Murdoch Mystery. Yay! You guys haven't seen that? Definitely check it out. I think you guys will like it. If you like a mystery / old time, I don't know. It's just an amazing TV show. You can watch on Hulu or on Netflix, I think still. Okay, next.
Where did you meet your husband?
Ooh, I met my husband at Fort Riley, Kansas. No.
In high school?
No, not in high school. It was after high school.
Okay. What does he do? Do you like his job?
Oh, my husband is a chemical soldier, and he's in the United States Army, and I think I like his job because, I don't know. I support my husband, so whatever he wants to do, if he wants to get out, he wants to stay in, I support him. I'm thankful for his job so much, and I'm very proud of being a military wife. So,
What's your favorite place you lived?
I have two. I want to say two. I have to do two. South Carolina, just because we have amazing church there. I like the school system there, and we have such a big community there. So I really like that. And Hawaii. Hawaii was my first was my number one, but now South Carolina stole my heart. So, and I have a good community in Hawaii. Our church over there is amazing. So yeah, those are the two. I had to choose two.
Can you close your eyes and raise your eyebrows? You look crazy. You look crazy.
Can I do it?
Yeah. You're like, yeah. You're like flaring your nostrils. Like you're I can.
Oh, you do that good. Okay,
Yeah, because-
what's the next thing?
Do you have a best friend? If so, who?
Yes, I do have a best friend. I have two. Can I say two? Or one? Well, best friend.
Best friend is
Friends. Yeah.
Anything.
My best friend is my husband. I know.
And?
Crochet. And Brody. Brody, you're my best friend.
No, that's Ethan. Who?
I don't know. I just Brody. No, my
You
husband.
could say like your sister, your mom. You said, man, babe. You could have said the best boy at the house.
My husband is my best friend.
You said two.
Well, Brody.
That's not.
No, I'm sorry. I'll just say one. I'll say one.
He went. Oh,
I know.
scratching the thing. Did his ball go under there?
No, I don't know. Just keep going.
Okay. Which store would you choose to max out your credit card or debit?
Or debit.
Well, whatever.
To be honest, none. I wouldn't max out my credit card for any store because we don't believe in like credit card debt or anything like that. We believe in mortgage debt and stuff like that. That's good debt, but bad debt, no. I say none.
I don't know. I mean, if I was to spend my whole blow.
If I had to choose a place,
If you had like a blow.
oh, if I had to choose a place, I would say.
I feel like it would be a thrift store. 'Cause then you can
totally-
spend so much.
I was just thinking, I was like in Goodwill, but
Either-
Goodwill's been like not doing
I
too
would
well.
say any thrift store
yeah.
or like
I would say-
Hot Topic.
I'll say a thrift store because I really like thrift store. I like thrifting, so yeah. What's the question?
What's under your bed?
What's under my bed? I think dust balls, hair balls. Yeah.
What drains your energy?
My children. They constantly like to bicker and fight. Yeah, my children drain my energy right now. No, not right. Well, yes, and I've been doing a bodybuilding shredded challenge, so I've been more exhausted about that, and that's a 6-week program.
What's the best part about your job?
I get to stay home.
only
That
once.
does.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Oh. My favorite childhood memories. I would say camping. Camping was, we camped like all the time as a kid. So doing those things.
What's your favorite color?
Ooh, blue and orange.
Who's your favorite celebrity? That's funny because you don't watch that.
I don't know celebrities.
You could say Adele. You know, celebrities like anyone famous.
Oh. How about this?
Really, just all the old.
The
cast?
old school NCIS. This is terrible.
What's your favorite musician?
Gene. Gene's really good. Gene. Stop, I'm trying to answer. No, my favorite musician, like, I like my daughter. She does an amazing job with the flute that she doesn't like to play in front of public people. People, not public. Or that too. No. I like Adele. I really do. Like, Adele's my cleaning. Oh my goodness, if I need to get some deep cleaning going, I put Adele on and the kids vanish.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink? hot tea.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food. At this moment, I think my favorite food is our homemade Nochi Great Northern Bean soup. If you guys want me to make that, let me know. Put it in the comments. You guys, you will love it. It's such a good. Do you think it's funny? That's not cool.
What's your favorite way to pass time?
Watch TV. I watch TV. No, well, now I'm going to the gym, so that's going to be taking up a lot of my time.
What's your favorite candle scent?
Oh,
Candle wax.
no, I think probably like a pumpkin spice, especially because I like fall. I think I like maybe pumpkin spice or some type of cinnamon. I don't know. I don't really go with those. How about On Guard? Or no, what's that?
They should make a candle that smells like burnt stuff.
They probably do have one out there that's probably crazy.
It's like burnt wood.
Okay, what's the next one?
Ooh. Are you high maintenance?
No. I'm not high. I'm not.
I was agreeing with you.
Oh, I'm not high maintenance. I don't get my hair done.
Not high maintenance as in like a relationship. I think that's what the question is. It's like, do you need like you know, like there's always like those one girls that are like, oh my, I want stuff for my boyfriend. Like,
oh well. I'm not high maintenance where I don't need material things or things like that. I'm more high maintenance towards needing to feel loved. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that does. And that's true.
I like to be filled. I like to know
too.
that people appreciate me and that they love me, and my way of communicating love is to do things, to keep the house clean, to feed them and stuff like that. Brody,
oh, the bunny's outside.
No, leave the bunny alone.
It's a baby.
It's a baby bunny. Come by time.
If you had more courage, what would you do differently in your life now?
Courage?
Yeah.
What would I do different? I'd probably go out more, cause I have anxiety of going out by myself. A lot. I always have to have someone with me.
Anxiety is.
Yeah. So I think that actually answers it, cause just if I had courage of going out in public by myself, then I wouldn't have no issues.
What's the weirdest thing you've seen in your life?
Weirdest. Probably some people out here.
The Walmart people.
Yeah. At night. Yeah. I think maybe people. Like I think there's some weird people out there. I think that will be my answer. Weird people.
Mm-hmm.
And describe weird people. I can't even describe it. It's just weird. Let's look at he was cleaning the car. Go.
Who's the first person you call when something exciting happens?
Joel. If I can't get a hold of my husband, I will call one of my family members. Most of the time, my twin sister, just because my mama and my daddy are working and they work on the farm, so they don't answer the phone. And my twin sister, because I just wake her up.
You're just like,
And she works brighter. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right now. Me and Jean had such an amazing night. We stayed up answering questions really late last night. So I have a ton for you guys. If you guys are interested, please let me know in the comments if you guys want some more. she has come up with some weird ones and some really ones I had to think about and everything. But if you guys are interested, let me know. I will definitely do a part 2 of the Q&A. And I hope you guys just enjoy me and Jean spending quality time together. If you have, please leave a comment below letting us know what you guys think about our Q&A. And if you have a question that you want to ask us, leave it in the comments below. We'll definitely gather up the questions and we'll make another one, because I just enjoyed the time that we had together. Also, can you please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? That will help me out so much. It's free for you guys, and I hope you guys do like my cleaning channels and my family. So I'll see you guys next time.